Positive affirmations are powerful tools that can help individuals improve their lives and achieve their goals. They are simple, yet powerful, statements that are designed to change negative thoughts and beliefs into positive ones. These affirmations can be used to improve self-confidence, self-esteem, and overall well-being. Positive affirmations are helpful because they help to rewire the brain to think in a more positive way. They work by replacing negative thoughts with positive ones, which can lead to a change in behavior and attitudes. This can help to improve relationships, career success, and overall happiness. The science behind positive affirmations has shown that they can help to change the way individuals think and feel about themselves. When used consistently, positive affirmations can rewire the brain to think more positively, which can lead to improved self-esteem and confidence. Why positive affirmations are helpful. The power of positive thinking is well documented and has been shown to have many benefits. Positive affirmations work by training the mind to think in a more positive way, which can lead to improved self-esteem, confidence, and overall well-being. Research has shown that positive affirmations can be effective in treating a variety of conditions, including depression, anxiety, and stress. They can also improve self-esteem, motivation, and goal attainment. The benefits of using positive affirmations are many. They can help to improve self-esteem, confidence, and overall well-being. They can also help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve relationships, and lead to greater career success. How to use positive affirmations effectively. To develop a positive affirmation practice, it is important to start by identifying your negative thoughts and beliefs. These can be anything from self-doubt to feelings of inadequacy. Once you have identified these thoughts, you can begin to create affirmations that will help to replace them with positive ones. When designing an affirmation, it is important to use positive and present tense language. For example, instead of saying "I will be more confident," say "I am confident." This helps to make the affirmation more effective by making it seem more real and attainable. To make positive affirmations part of your daily routine, it is important to repeat them regularly. This can be done by writing them down and reading them daily, or by repeating them silently to yourself throughout the day. It is also important to focus on the feelings and emotions that the affirmation brings up, rather than just the words themselves. In conclusion, positive affirmations are powerful tools that can help individuals improve their lives and achieve their goals. They work by replacing negative thoughts and beliefs with positive ones, which can lead to a change in behavior and attitudes. Used consistently, positive affirmations can rewire the brain to think more positively, leading to improved self-esteem, confidence, and overall well-being. By developing a positive affirmation practice, and incorporating it into your daily routine, you can start to see real, positive changes in your life.